In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up online payments on your website. Hey, it's Tobey here from Training Business Pros. Thanks for joining me. The process of setting up payments on your website can be complicated, but I've got a really simple solution for you, and it shouldn't take you long to do, and I'm going to walk you step by step through the process. Now, this works for regular payments or even recurring payments, for example, monthly billing, that sort of thing. And it's a one-page checkout system. You're going to love it. It's for WordPress, and we're going to dive in and get started right now. Okay, so today we're talking about how to set up online payments on your website. It's a really simple process. The first thing you're going to need to do is go inside your WordPress installation, go down to plugins and click add new, and there's a free plugin called Groundhogg. It is actually a CRM for WordPress, so it does many other things than just accept payments. But in this case, I've already got it installed. All you would normally have to do is click Install Now button, and away you go. Once it's installed, you'll see that Groundhogg appears here on the left-hand side. And in addition to the free plugin, you're going to need one little addition to that, which is the really simple payments option. Now, I totally get that you may not want to spend $79. However, what I will tell you is that it's going to save you way more than that in time and energy trying to figure out other systems. I've been doing digital marketing for a long time, and I can tell you this is probably one of the simplest solutions you'll ever find. And it's very versatile. Plus, you're going to get a ton of reporting features, things that look like this, which is really cool. And all you would have to do is purchase the extension, add it to your cart, and download it like another plugin, and then go back to your WordPress installation and go add new, and then upload the plugin, choose the file that you just downloaded from Groundhogg. And then once you're done that, then you need to go to settings and then click on licenses and add the license information that you get from Groundhogg when you purchase the extension. Okay, so let's show you how to set this up. It's pretty simple. In my case, I've got a pro license, which comes bundled with really simple payments. So all I have to do is go to extensions, install, and activate. And then once I've got it installed, then I need to hop on over to settings, and you'll see there's a new tab here called really simple payments. And then all I need to do is start choosing certain things. So I'm going to choose Canadian dollars, currency position, you can use commas, your store country. And then now we can connect it to either Stripe or PayPal, which are the two de facto payment services. And it works well with both, and you can use both. So for example, when they get to the checkout page, they can choose credit cards or PayPal, or even use credit cards with PayPal. So in both of these cases, you will need the publishable and secret keys. I would say you can test it first, but I think it's going to work really well. So just go and stick in the live publishable key and the live secret key. And then there's a webhook secret key. And then for setup instructions for that, all you have to do is click this button, and it shows you how to add webhooks to the system. So it's pretty simple there. And then once that's set up and you choose Stripe, PayPal, or both, then in order to get the payments onto a web page, it's a very simple thing. You're going to go to funnels, and you're going to create a new funnel, start from scratch, and then just add a step to the funnel. Now, if you're not familiar with CRM technology, essentially what it does is it allows you to do things when people check out. This is really why I think it's a good idea for you to do this, because other payment systems do not include follow-up when people purchase things. So it's really versatile in that regard. So click really simple payments, move that to the top, and then you're going to give it a product name. Let's sell some sheet music. I'm going to give it a price here, $4.99. And then you can see as well that you can set up recurring payments, and then it charges every 1 month, every week, every day, every year. And you can also set the number of trial days. So again, this is a lot simpler than a lot of the other payment systems out there. You can also choose whether to collect the billing address, collect the shipping address, and then you can redirect to a thank you page or a custom thank you page upon checkout. In this case, let's just leave it at /thank you. And then also you can apply tags such as purchase this item or add this start tag to start another follow-up funnel. For example, once they purchase, you can follow up with them automatically in like 2 weeks and ask them if they need any help or if they have any feedback or if they'd like to leave a review. And that's why I think you need this system versus just a simple payment checkout. Because even the free version of Groundhogg will allow you to send emails to people, follow up with them based on purchases, which is really cool. And of course, it'll do other follow-up as well, even without purchasing. So that's how to set up that in the funnel. When you have it set up, click active and save. And let's just do one step. Let's go, once they check out, let's send them an email. And you can see that's in order there now. And all we have to do is create a new email. And you can give it a title, it's like email 1. This is what they don't see. And then the subject is, do you need any help setting up or with your purchase? And then down here, you can say, hey, thanks for the purchase. Just checking in, see if you need any help. And then, of course, you can put other details there. I'm not going to spend time writing out the email. All you need to do is choose the email that it comes to, set it to ready, and click create. And then just close that, and it automatically selects the email to go out. But if you don't want that email, you can choose any of the previous emails that you've made. And then other things you can do now is you can add another delay timer here to say, hey, wait a day and then send this other email. So that's what's really cool about automated marketing. You've got these follow-up sequences that can do many things to stay in touch with your customer. Okay, once you've got a few things set up, then go back and select the really simple payments and select the shortcode, close that out, and then just create any web page. We're going to go create a new web page. We're going to call this Carol of the Bells, which is basically the sheet music that we're going to sell. And then down here, you just paste in the shortcode like that. And of course, we're using Gutenberg, but you can paste that shortcode in any builder like Elementor or Veda, and publish. And let's go view the page. And there you can see you've got this personal info, billing address, shipping address. You could check the button that says same as billing, summary of what we're purchasing. I agree to the terms of service, pay now. And then of course, it's going to ask me to fill out the fields properly. And it wants me to fill all of that out as well. But it's not going to work anyway because it's not currently connected to Stripe or PayPal. But essentially what I can tell you is I use it on other websites. It works extremely well. And that's how easy it is to start collecting payments on your website. Now, of course, you can see that the boxes are dark borders. That can all be set by the theme that you're using. And so there's no real styling to do with Groundhogg. It's already predetermined by the theme that you're using in your WordPress installation. Okay, and that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any questions or comments about this particular online payment system or how to set it up, please post it below and I'll be sure to get back to you with an answer. Thanks so much for your time.